Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do what I hope to be a very quick little haul. I received from Influenster this box and I know what it is because I signed into my Influenster account and it asked me why I hadn't started using this yet and I hadn't received it yet, so that's why. But now I have it and they sent me more shampoo and conditioner. I don't know what Influencer is trying to tell me. I am super happy to have received this. I received the Biolage set and did the review on that about a month ago. And now I have a Pureology set. So I am very happy to have received this also. Super happy. And then once we talk about this for just a minute, I have a Causebox that's kind of like the size of if I'd ordered a bow and arrow, and I do not recall ordering that. So we're gonna get in there in a minute and see what I've got. In case you are new to Influenster, and I will put my link below in case you have any interest in joining it. It's just an app where you go on and you review products that you've tried. You let other people know about it. Sometimes people will ask questions. If you can answer them, you answer them. It costs you nothing to do. You just go on and it's something that you can play around with. Once you've started doing reviews, answering other people's questions, just generally using Influencer, they will send you questionnaires and you just answer them honestly and they find the best fit for you and they send you products. I have had eye creams and face creams, and this is my second shampoo products that I received. Last time I got, like I said, the Biolage volume, and now they have sent me to try Pureology. And this is the Nanoworks Gold Shampoo and Conditioner, a luxurious transforming hair care system that renews softness, manageability, and shine to dull or very dry hair. Key ingredients: Caravis strengthens hair, golden marula oil supports scalp health and keeps hair moisturized and soft. It is 100% vegan, 0 sulfates, and it has an anti-fade complex. Well, that's for if you have colored hair, which I do not right at this very moment, but oh, I will very soon. And it says beauty with meaning, professional color care with sustainability, purity, and integrity in mind. And that's what the card that came with it looks like. And this is one of the brands that makes it easy to tell them apart. The shampoo stands up on like you would expect a bottle to, and the conditioner sits on its lid. So that's what we have. And these are full size. I will let you know here the value of those because that will show you it is so worth doing this if it's nothing that you've ever done before. It can be so worthwhile. I mean, you don't have to have a YouTube channel. I think they like it if you're on Insta, but I don't think it's required. Before they send you things, you have to promise to, like I think for this, I said that I would go on Influencer and review it and maybe onto Pureology and review it, but they are very clear up front. They want you to give an honest review. That's the beauty part. I mean, and I wouldn't do it if it weren't for that. They don't want you to, they just want you to tell the truth. I want to see what this smells like because like every time I get a hair product, I always say, for me, with hair products, I need them to work. I mean, I want my hair to look decent, but if they don't smell good, it just does not even matter how well they work. It smells really good. It's fresh, it's clean, it just smells like a shampoo. You know what I'm saying? It just smells good. So I will try both of these and then I will go on to my Influencer account and see what I agreed to do when I receive them, where I agreed to show it, if I agreed to show it on Insta, because sometimes they do want you. There are some that if you say, I will do that, they say, okay, but you have to do it on Insta. And if you don't have Insta, you can just say, yeah, no, then never mind. You get it. I only cut it open and put that one flat back because it had my address on it. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. I think it has to be spring related because I think I've received everything that's not spring related and I haven't gotten my box yet. Yeah. Yes, this is my spring market order. I'm gonna take everything out because this is unwieldy. The first thing I have is the Laundress New York Sweater Stone, and it's for de-pilling sweaters. So like I have on a sweater today, but it's pretty new. Yeah, it doesn't have any pills on it. But what you can do is you can just take this little stone out. It's kind of like a pumice stone, but for your clothes. And this is just a little square. That's what it looks like. And you just literally over your sweaters, and it, you know, the little round pills that you get on it, it just cleans them right off. I got this not knowing whether I would keep it for myself or whether I would pass it along to my mom, who is the knitter. I think probably I will pass it along to my mom, but it is a Laundress product and I couldn't not buy it. I have pastry brushes and it's just a red and a blue pastry brush. It came as a set of 2. I only needed 1 and I've already said my mom can have the other one. So I just have needed, you know, I'm cooking so much more in here during quarantine and I'm making new things that I needed a new pastry brush. So there we go. In that same vein, I got the Zeal Perfectly Baked cake tester. And you just, you know how you don't have to have a cake tester. You can use a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, you know your cake is done. That's fine, but I thought I would like a tool. And it's so cute. And it has its own little holder. And that'll be easy to find. I had one of these years ago, but it was a tiny little top, and then it didn't have a case, so I could never find it in the utensil drawer, and I figured that is not getting lost in a utensil drawer. All right. I know, it's a weird assortment. It gets weirder. Hang tight. I got a, oh, I wonder how you say that. Camont, C-A-M-O-N-T, puzzle from the Rifle Paper Company. And it's 500 pieces. And I think this is what it's gonna, yeah, look on the back. That is what it's gonna look like. And I just thought it was so pretty. And I thought it would be fun to try. I also got, it's hard to believe the same person that would order this is the same person that would order this. And yet, here we are in the juxtaposition of oddities. I have a melamine tray, durable and stain resistant. Melamine is just, it's a plastic word for 1958. I don't know. I think it's slightly different from plastic, but I'm not sure. If you know, let us know below what the difference is. Why don't we just call this plastic? Why do we call it melamine? And it is 15 by 9 inches, and it's called Melamine Dotty Tray. And it's really sturdy. I'm really, really happy about that. I got it exactly for what you see me doing, carrying. It seemed really sturdy. And I have some that are wood, and I have some that are like that hard, like the one I do my flat lays in over on Insta, that are the raffia kind of, that they do really tightly. Here's the thing. When I carry, I spill. It's just a fact of life. You know, when you're moving with things, some things, and this is going to be so much easier because, I mean, you can clean up the wood, but then I'm mad at myself if I've stained my wood, and I thought that this solved that problem. Last but not least, and again, in the whole realm of, it's hard to believe that the person that ordered this, but I got this for my bedroom. It is a desk organizer, and it is also from, I think it's from Rifle Paper. Yeah, from Rifle Paper Company. I just love the look of all of their products. They're just always really pretty. It's just, it looks like quality. I got this to sit on the table that I actually have kind of beside my nightstand. I know it's hard to describe, but I have an extra table in my room that I keep all of my planners in. And I thought, this is a great idea. So I can put I can put planners in that row, in this row, some pins. Heck, I could put the remotes for the TV if I wanted. I just thought this would be perfect in my bedroom to round up all of the things that I keep in there, especially the things that I write with. You know, I'm even doing like menu planners now, which you wouldn't think would be in the bedroom. But a lot of times in the evening when we go to bed, I will pop open my laptop and sit there and get on YouTube and look at people's menus and do menu planning. And so anyway, that's what this is for, to look pretty in my bedroom, but still be able to do planning type stuff. That's it. That is my Causebox spring marketplace order. I think I only made one this spring. Doesn't sound like me, but I think it's true. So I got the Melamine Dot Tray, the Rifle Paper Company 500 piece really pretty puzzle, the cake tester, the pastry brushes, the sweater stone, and the desk organizer. Ta-da! So that's what was in that really unusually shaped box, but I guess it makes sense with the desk organizer and the dot tray. And then I also received the Influenster Nano Gold Shampoo from Pureology. So I will try that, and I will be reviewing that also. If you have any questions about Influenster or Causebox, I will put links to both below. I will answer any questions down in the comments. I hope you are having a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.